That trap sound, designer, clothes, shows, trap.
So without wasting any much of your time, let's just go straight into it. So briefly, I'm going to explain to you what Forex actually means. The word Forex is just buying and selling, trading of one commodity or one good for another. But in this case, we're trading currencies. We're not trading physical products. We're actually trading virtual products, virtual currencies, and that's it. So next, let's go into candlesticks. So I said Forex is trading of currencies on the global market. So candlestick represents the time when those trades actually took place. In a very layman sentence, candlesticks now the time where we actually trade. That's it. Now the time when the trade happened. That's the time when the trade actually occurred. So if you see this candlestick now, this is a red candle and this is a green candle. What this actually means is the trade is actually falling down, and this means the trade is going up. Everybody believed, the market was going to fall, and here everybody believed the market was going to go up. That's what it means. So to explain candles, if you see this is what the candle is. This green means the market started from here and went all the way to this place, while the red means the market started from here and went all the way down here. That is candlesticks. Next on the list is going to be the driving force of the market, which is news. So news are events that actually pushes or drives the market. So if you look at this is what they call trading view. Sorry if I didn't mention that earlier. So if you look at this trading view and you see this, these are all news events. All these are high news events. So if you notice, anytime you see this stuff here, this is when a news actually occurred in the market. News actually drives the Forex market. It pushes the Forex market up. It pushes the Forex market down. So now let's just talk briefly about the things that are being traded, which are currencies. So if you see this, GBP USD means pounds to dollar. So it means you're trading pounds for dollar, or you're trading dollar for pounds. AUD USD means Australian dollar for United States dollar. Then XAU USD means gold for United States dollar. Now let's dive into trends. So in the Forex market, there's a popular saying, which is the trend is your friend. So you actually want to stick to the trend of the market. You don't want to be against the trend. And if you see this, you'd notice it on a uptrend. And since you're new to the Forex market, you can easily use something called a trend line. This is actually a trading strategy on its own. There are people who trade this profitably. It shows you the direction where the market is going to. So let's say you put on this first touch and then you extend the trend line all the way. You'll be waiting for a trend bounce. You'll be waiting for it to bounce on this trend line. And once it bounces, you can continue to buy, or you can continue to sell depending on where you are on the market. Now I'm going to be explaining to you how to use proper risk management, how to actually know how much you're going to be losing and how much you're going to be making a return. Let's say we place the buy here, then we want to determine where are we going to put our stop loss. Where we put our stop loss is what determines what our risk management is going to be. Like $10 here. If the market goes down, we're going to lose $10. But if the market actually goes up, we're going to make a profit of $10. That's what it means. So if the market continues to go up, let's say it continues to go higher. If it goes higher, then we make $20. If it goes higher again, keep watching this number. If it goes for 1 ratio, that's what they call 1 ratio 1, 1 ratio 2, and this is 1 ratio 3. So this is 1 ratio 3, which means 10 times by 3. 10 times by 3 gives you $30. That is what it is. Very simple. So if the market continues to go and it goes to 4 times by 10, which gives you $40. very simple. The same thing applies to $100, same thing applies to $1,000, and so on and so forth. That was a lot of talking in a very short time. So I hope you did understand something. I hope this made sense for you. And if it's still, confusing, if you still do not understand a lot about the forex market even after this video, what you can do is reach out to me via my Instagram. I have a PDF file that I can actually send you. Let me just show you the PDF file. It breaks down everything. It has a lot of colors, it has a lot of drawings. You can easily just understand everything the market is saying, everything the forex chart is trying to tell you, or things that I did not explain on here. Because of time, I want this video to just be 5 minutes. Very compact, you understand everything. And if after watching this video you still do not understand and you still want more insight, at least now when reading this book, the book is going to make more sense based on the video you've watched. So you can reach out to me. I'll send this PDF your way. It's free, honest to God. It is totally free, no extra fee, nothing. I'm not gonna ask you for anything. I'm just going to send it to you. So that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching my video. And I'm also going to be dropping more gems, and if there's anything you don't understand, the PDF doesn't do justice, you can reach out to me for more clarification and explanation. Totally free. You can click the link on my bio or click down here to subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, reach out to me via every social media, and I'm always going to reply back to you. Thank you and peace.